Studio. Good morning, children. Today we are going to start with a new topic, that is les jours et les mois, that is the days of the week and the months of a year. So let's start. So children, we will start with the very first topic, that is the days of the week. So that's called les jours de la semaine. Les jours de la semaine, that is the days of the week. So children, as you all know that there are 7 days in a week: Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday and Sunday. So here you are going to learn their pronunciations in the French language. So Monday is lundi. It's lundi. Tuesday, mardi. It's mardi. Wednesday, mercredi. It's mercredi. Thursday in French is jeudi. Jeudi. Friday, vendredi. Vendredi. Saturday in French is samedi. It's samedi. And the last day of the week, that's Sunday, is dimanche. That's dimanche. So children, I'll repeat all the days of the week for you. Lundi, mardi, mercredi, jeudi, vendredi, samedi and dimanche. Moving to the next topic, the months of the year. So that's called les mois de l'année. It's les mois de l'année. So children, as you all know that there are 12 months in a year: January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November and December. So now we will see how do we say the months of the year in our French language. So January, it's janvier. Janvier. February, février. Février. March is mars. It's mars. April is avril. It's avril. May is pronounced as May in French also, but the spellings are different. It's M-A-I. May. Then June is called juin. Juin. Then July is juillet. Juillet. August is août. It's août. Then September is septembre. Septembre. So children, you will notice here that September, October, November, December, in all these 4 months, the spellings are almost the same as in our English language. The only difference is, instead of ER in English, in French we write RE. But the pronunciation is absolutely different. So September is septembre. October, octobre. November, novembre. And December is décembre. Right, children? So I'll repeat all these months of the year, that is le mois de l'année for you. Janvier, février, mars, avril, mai, juin, juillet, août, septembre, octobre, novembre, and décembre. So children, I hope this topic of les jours et les mois, that is the days and the months, is clear to you. Keep learning. Au revoir.